Welcome back to Flecki's Puppy Training Academy. Today we investigate a very serious concern. Every year, thousands of humans look at their puppy and ask, "Why is my puppy doing this?" The answer is usually very simple. Because it is a puppy. The Flecki Research Department has reviewed the evidence. Your puppy is most likely operating normally. Let's begin with an important fact. A puppy is not a small adult dog. A puppy is a baby. Its brain is still developing. It is learning how the world works. Learning what is safe. Learning what is dangerous. Learning who you are. This takes time. Expecting adult behavior now would be like expecting a toddler to manage a company. One of the most common concerns is biting. This is normal. Puppies explore the world using their mouths, much like humans use their hands. Puppies are also teething. Their teeth are changing. Chewing helps relieve discomfort. This is why puppies often chew toys, shoes, socks, furniture, and occasionally things they absolutely should not chew. Humans often say, "My puppy doesn't listen." Let's examine the evidence. You call the puppy. A leaf moves. The puppy looks at the leaf. A butterfly appears. The puppy forgets language. A bird lands nearby. The puppy forgets reality. This is normal. Young puppies are easily distracted. Their brains are constantly processing new information. Training attention takes practice. Now we must discuss the zoomies. Scientists call this Frenetic Random Activity Periods. Dogs call it Tuesday. Zoomies are normal. They often happen after excitement, after play, or after rest. The puppy suddenly releases energy. The puppy runs, turns, slides, runs again. This behavior is usually harmless. Many new owners worry when puppies have accidents indoors. This is normal. Young puppies have limited bladder control. House training takes time. Consistency, routine, and patience help. Most puppy behavior is not bad behavior. It is learning behavior. Your puppy is exploring, growing, testing, practicing, discovering, making mistakes, exactly as puppies should. Let's review today's findings. Your puppy is not broken. Your puppy is learning. Your puppy is growing. Your puppy is becoming a dog. Be patient, be consistent, and remember, even professional dogs were once puppies. Next lesson, the name game. How to teach your puppy to actually pay attention when you call them. The Flecki Research Department will explain. See you next time.